Hi, I am Yogesh Gothi. Today's technical point is nervous system. Now, the nervous system is a complex network of nervous and cells that carry message to and from the brain and spinal cord to various part of the body. It can be classified into two main parts: the central nervous system (CNS) and the peripheral nervous system (PNS). Now, central nervous system is CNS consists of the brain and spinal cord. The function of central nervous system is main controls center for the body, processes and interprets sensory information, sends out instructions based on this information. Now, second one is the peripheral nervous system. The contains of all the nerves outside the CNS, central nervous system, divided into the somatic and autonomic nervous system. Now, somatic nervous system controls voluntary movement and transmit sensory information to the central nervous system. This is the main system of function of somatic nervous system. Autonomic nervous system contains regulates involuntary function like heart rates, digestion, and breathing. This type of involuntary function is autonomous nervous system (ANS), and information type in the nervous system. Sensory information, nothing but includes input from the senses, sight, sounds, touch, taste, smell. This type of internal organs. Motor information. Now, instruction sent from the CNS, central nervous system, to muscles and glands to initiate a response. Integrative information, processing and interpreting sensory information to produce a coordinated response. Now, some functions of nervous system, that is sensory function. Now, detects internal and external stimuli. Integrative function, processes sensory information to form perception throughout and memories. This is integrative function. Now, motor function is initiates and coordinates responses by sending signals to muscles and glands. Now, the nervous system play a crucial role in regulating and maintaining homeostasis in the body. Now, allowing for adaptation to the environment and survival. Now, some points of the nervous system in neurons. Neurons are the basic building blocks of the nervous system. They transmit electrical and chemical signal throughout the body. Signal passed throughout the body, electrical and chemical signals. Neurotransmitter is these are chemical related by neurons to transmit signals across synapses, gaps between neurons to other neurons, muscles or glands. Glial cell. Glial cell, these are non-neuronal cells that provide supports and protection for neurons. They play a very important role in immune response and the maintenance of the nervous system. Now, this is regard reflexes. Reflexes are quick involuntary response to stimuli. They are controlled by neural pathway called reflex arc, which bypass the brain for faster response. This is all regarding the nervous system. Thank you.